said the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they sleeping on me. On me. Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners. Take a couple L's if you wanna be a winner. When I think about the beat, it's synonymous with dinner.
Okay, now we're going to be removing this bolt, I believe, and this bolt, as well as each of these in here and in there, if I'm not mistaken. There should be one over here. The one right there somewhere. Y'all probably can't see that. It's that little silver thing down there. No silver. Let's get her done.
Let's get her done, son.
Yins. Sorry, I'm a little hoarse. What about it? You got your Allen wrenches?
No?
No? You didn't bring them?
You didn't. I asked you if there's anything else you needed.
I didn't think there was till I got the nail, and I need a long one that way I can.
Oh no, I got the same thing you got. I bought the same toolbox you bought.
I know, but some of mine ain't where they supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? I done had these a while, bro, you feel me?
Yeah, I know.
Some of them's missing.
A lot of them probably missing.
A lot of them. Probably all the ones I need, you feel me?
Oh, for sure.
I hope it fits it good. I better not strip this. Yep, it fits it good. And broke her loose, baby.
Hey, that's
what's up, baby. So we went and got a longer Allen wrench because the way it was working out, that one wasn't gonna fit. So hopefully y'all have some Allen wrenches out. If I'm not mistaken, these don't actually come all the way up out of the piece of plastic right here. You just unbolt them and then you leave them right there. Oh, that's at an angle. How in the Just so y'all know, the one right here, awful spot, have fun.
Come on, you can do it.
Bro, this one of them all night kind of projects.
Fuck you, I wish you would have told me that if I came up here. I told you kiss my ass.
This ain't all night. This is like a 5-6 hour project.
I wish you would have told me. I would have taken you to kiss my
I'm an
ass.
hour in already. What are you with me? What are you up there doing?
I'm trying to see if I can find anything to help you.
There ain't nothing, what the fuck? Ain't nothing can help with this. This is like shit's in bad spots. You're lucky you can even get it. You know what I mean? I'm getting it. She just coming slow. Slow and steady wins the race, boys and girls. We're still working on this one. 20 centuries later. That's bullshit, man. Dude, I've tried to find like SpongeBob stuff like that to throw into the channel.
Yeah.
And I can't find any that's royalty free.
Yeah.
That is in a bad spot too, boy. Gosh almighty.
Won't you go back on my loose face?
Here in a minute, I need to cover these up. These are called velocity stacks. That's what determine how much air coming into my baby. Just so y'all know, these are in a bad spot too. Good luck. You can get them though, you can. Like, no cap, but it's gonna take you probably about 5 minutes per bolt. Unless you got some longer ones or a better tool. You know, we work like cavemen around here. Got hand tools.
Nah,
We ain't gonna have no dining room table. Hey, can you come over here and do this? This is tearing my knuckles up on that filter, bro. Oh God, here. Never mind. We went on and just pulled up on the filter, removed it. I'm letting him get to it for a minute because the filter was cutting my knuckle up and I just now took it out. So here we go. If y'all didn't know, this is Zach. He's the reason that the R6 is out of commission. But it's okay, baby, because we got the parts on the way. Here it is. I know y'all haven't seen it yet. Not on the YouTube. Broke the handle off. Those are cleanable. Cracked the, not the actual casing. This is a GB racing cover. And there's the wheel.
455 fucker, son.
Yeah, that right there don't look right, does it? That look like something's wrong. That ain't supposed to look like that, I don't think. Bink up. Look at how clean the wheel is, though, because I just cleaned it. Damn you, Zach. Look at this side, boy. She looks good. She looks good. Can't wait for the parts to get in for that. I'm missing that. That's my baby right there. She always will be. Baby blue. And then we got Blondie. The legend, baby. Let's get it.
Fucking those things in the process.
Those are in bad spots, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even opening this filter yet.
How bad's the other filter?
It ain't, well, I'm going 30.
You changing it?
Why am I changing it?
Yeah.
I'm going to a racing filter so she can get some air. That bitch be clogging shit, you feel me? Look, you see the difference? How much smaller those grooves are?
Ah,
That's why.
good to breathe.
Here's the difference between the two. See how much bigger the grooves are on this one and how much smaller they are on this one?
Is this the last bolt? This is copper?
I believe so. After she's done getting fixed, she's gonna be a whole lot better.
You gonna let me ride it?
We're gonna get you on an electric bicycle first. We're gonna get you on an electric bicycle.
Alright, I'm like 90% sure that I broke loose.
Broke loose? What you mean broke loose? But I told them I was gonna do it with hand tools, that way they could see they could do it at the house. Honestly, I like working on these by hand anyway, cause like, then I know I'm not cross-threading anything or anything like that, you know what I mean? And on these, this stuff, you ain't gotta have it tight like that.
Don't give her too many ugga-duggas, boys and
I'll tell you
girls.
one thing, I actually over-torqued my rear axle nut. I over-torqued it.
Rather
You know
be safe than
what
sorry.
factory is? It's like 80. I go 3 ugga-duggas.
3 ugga.
You gotta give them 3 ugga-duggas, boys.
So
Not
like
yet.
110.
Right now we're loosening it up. This right here, this little clamp, you're gonna want to clamp it, pinch it, pull down, get that off there. We've loosened up all of these. They're gonna come right out. See, I told you they don't come all the way out. They just kind of sit in there.
I can't get it like this.
I told them normal tools. Ain't nobody got that at home.
I mean, I wish you had a G.
coolant tool. Oh man, here. Oh, that vacuum hose. Pull one out. Right here. It's right here.
Oh shit.
Oh,
I had to clip on it.
yeah. This is important. Well, I better show them that, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, do it back there.
Undo this. Pinch it. It goes in right there onto that. And then there's also a connection on the bottom of your airbox / velocity stacks.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.